Sanibona Zamani Zulu Nation. Welcome to Learn Zulu Everyday number 15. Today we're just going to drill how to ask someone's name. The whole mine, yours, his or hers gets a bit confusing. So here we go. I'll be Brian, you be Nick. Sawubona. You say, Yebo sawubona. I say, Unjani. You say, Ngiyaphila. Wena, unjani. I say, me too, I'm fine. Nami ngiyaphila. Okay. Ngubani, what is? Igama, name. It's my sign for name. Ngubani, what is? Igama lakho. What is your name? Ngubani, igama lakho. What is your name? And you say, see, no, take this out. You say, igama lami ngu Nick. So your name is Nick, so you say igama lami ngu Nick, and you're asking me, what is my name? Ngubani igama lakho. Okay, you saying, what is your name? I say igama lami ngu Brian. Hi, Brian, Brian. There's no R sound traditionally in the Zulu language, so it becomes an L. Brian. Hi, Brian, Brian. Manje. Now I'm going to ask about your friend, so we can bring a third person into this conversation. Manje, umngane wakho, your friend. Ubani igama lakhe. What is their name? You say, her name, igama lakhe ngu Thelma. Okay. I can greet Thelma now. Sawubona sisi. Ubani igama lakho. What is your name? Thelma replies, igama lami ngu Thelma. She asks me back, Ubani igama lakho. I reply, Ngiyajabula ukukwazi. I'm happy to meet you, Thelma. Igama lami ngu Brian. Back to you. You're Nick. Nick, ngubani igama lekati lakho. What is the name of your cat? Just to bring another character in. And you say, her name, igama lakhe ngu Tweety. And you ask me, Brian, ngubani igama lekati lakho. So you're asking me, what's the name of my cat? Ngubani igama lekati lakho. And I say, igama lakhe ngu Tonchi. Alright? Ngiyajabula ukunazi. You are playing Nick and Thelma. Ngiyajabula ukukwazi. I'm happy to meet you. And now if I say, I'm happy to meet y'all, ngiyajabula ukunazi. I'm happy to meet you guys. And you guys will respond, Nati, us too, Nati, us too, Siyajabula. Ngiyajabula is I am happy. Siyajabula, we are happy. Ukukwazi, Brian. I say to you two, Hambani, you guys, go. Well, Hambani, kahle. And you guys say to me, one person, Sala, kahle. Cool. Let's run through that once more. Okay. I say, Sawubona. You respond, Yebo, sawubona. I say, Unjani. You say, Ngiyaphila. Wena, unjani. I say, Nami, ngiyaphila. Ngubani igama lakho. You say, igama lami ngu Nick. Ngubani igama lakho. What is your name? Igama lami ngu Brian. Now I'm going to ask about your friend. Manje, now. Manje just means now. Manje umngane wakho. Umngane wakho. Ngubani igama lakhe. What is her name? Igama lakhe ngu Thelma. If it was a guy friend, igama lakhe ngu Dan. lakhe, his or hers, same thing. I say to Thelma, sawubona sisi, ngubani igama lakho? What's your name? Thelma says, igama lami ngu Thelma. Thelma asks me, ngubani igama lakho? What's your name? I say, hey, ngiyajabula ukukwazi, Thelma. Happy to meet you. Thelma, igama lami ngu Lion. Back to you. Nick, ngubani igama lekati lakho? You say, igama lakhe ngu Tweety. You ask me what my cat's name is. Lion. Hi, Brian. Lion, ngubani igama lekati lakho? I say, igama lakhe ngu Tonshi. Hi, ngiyajabula ukunazi. I'm happy to meet you guys. Nick, no Thelma. Nick and Thelma. And you guys say, we are also happy to meet you. Nathi siyajabula ukukwazi. I say to you guys, go well, all of you guys. Hambani kahle. You say to me, sala kahle, stay well. There we go. Well done. Thank you very much. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngicela uklikhe lapha ulike no subscribe bese uklikhe le ibell ukuthi uthola ama notifications uma ivideo entsha iphuma. Ngiyabonga. Salani kahle.